Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Bringing you another video. This is your boy Mr. Nose. So can I first time I go here panel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So enjoy the video. May God bless you. Peace.
Wangu akaita 4 years achigara kweGirlfriend asingandifonere kana kuita sei. Saka ndaigara nchinamata nchiti Mwari nditungamirire, ndoda kuona munhu waMwari 1-on-1. Saka nezuro Mwari wakandiwanira nyasha ndakakwanisa kuona munhu waMwari 1-on-1 wakandiropafadza neanointing oil yandina yakanzi resurrection oil. Saka ndakasvika kumba ndakaita sekutaura kwandakaita nemunhu waMwari ku1-on-1. Hapana kupera 1 hour murume wangu akandifonera achintaura kuti ndikuya kumba.
Prophet, our sister is here to testify about a very what can I say, a pregnant testimony. Prophet, she came for 1-on-1 yesterday to one of our guest houses. Her husband had ran away from their matrimonial home 4 years, Prophet, away. But yesterday she came to see you, Prophet, about that problem, that her husband had been taken away by girls of the night. She's here to thank you, Prophet. Because she went on to use the prayer that you gave her in the morning of yesterday. She started using it yesterday. The testimony is that, Prophet, after using this prayer, an hour later, a husband called saying, I'm coming back home. Prophet, she's here to thank you and she's so happy about the resurrection oil. This one, you gave it to her yesterday.